Join us as we ride Frozen Ever After. Come on, everybody. As with many of the new Disney rides, the queue for Frozen Ever After is very well themed and has surprises around every corner. If you look at some of the posters, you can see why. One major advantage of the Frozen queue line is that the majority of it is actually indoors, so you can get out of the Florida heat. Just before the standby line meets up with the Lightning Lane, you get to go through Oaken's Tokens. Unlike some more traditional Disney boat rides, when you are in Elsa's palace, the track shifts and you wind up heading out backwards. There's another track shift when you see Marshmallow and his snow geese. This is where there's a small drop and they take your on-ride photo. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that you are enjoying the content.